Hello everyone, I'm Masha Renner, the head chef of Lina Store, and I would like to show you how to make the colatura di alici linguine today. This is a typical dish from Amalfi Coast. Very simple recipe, but very important to follow a couple of tips during the preparation. Also very fast, because what I'm going to do is boil the linguine, the pasta, and in the meantime the pasta is get ready. I will prepare the sauce. So this is 500 grams of linguine that I'm gonna put in a boiling water. I put also a bit of salt. So the sauce is it's not really a sauce, it's more like a condiment for the pasta actually. That with the very strong flavor of anchovies. So I will definitely say that this is a dish for anchovies lovers. No, I'm starting to forget my English in the lockdown here in Italy. 2 slices of bread. This is a white plain bread, regular one, that I'm gonna blend in any kind of food processor. So it doesn't have to be too fine or too thick. This is the consistency of the bread, like this. And this is the same pan when I'm gonna do the pasta. Now we'll heat up the oil. So this is the oil that we're gonna need for the whole recipe. That I'm gonna use to toast the bread first, take away the bread and use it to do the chili, garlic and parsley dressing. And it's about 1/4 cup. In the meantime that the bread gets ready, I will get the zest of 1 lemon. It's very important for the flavor. It's like all ingredients from the Amalfi Coast actually, and that's perfect. This is the colatura di alici. So it's a super flavored anchovies liquid. You can use also for other recipes, also for like the antipasti, or do some kind of vegetables if you like them. Like more or less everything that you use anchovies, you can also put the colatura di alici, but usually it's kind of very expensive. So now I will keep this bread for later, because what I don't want is that the bread gets too soaked by the water from the pasta. So just when you get this color, like a bit gold, you take it away. So the pasta is going to be done, I think, in a bit. So in the same pan, you put now the chopped chili, garlic, and I'm going to just do this and roughly chop it very roughly in small pieces. And what I need now is just slightly saute again the chili with the garlic in a pan. There is no other extra oil because we don't want to oil the pasta. Okay, the garlic and the chili are done also. Still too much al dente. Just chop it roughly, the parsley. I should start to call the family to eat probably, because also usually when you call them it takes maybe like half an hour because before they get ready. Ready to go. So now I will show you how to do the dressing. So this is our pan. I will just put all the pasta in here. So this is our pasta, just with chili and garlic. Now we put all the parsley like this. We put the lemon. We put the breadcrumb, almost all the breadcrumb, but we keep it a bit of the breadcrumb for decorate the dish, as I did also for the parsley. Turn the linguine. Okay. Add the colatura in the end. You don't need to cook the colatura. Colatura has to go on a pan just when you mix together the ingredients. Smells really good. Smells really, really, really good. Get the pasta. Voila. Really good. You get a bit of the extra breadcrumb on top, and extra parsley. So this is our pasta. It smells like really, really good. Like, I'm a big fan of anchovies, so probably one of my best dishes. Ciao.